Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sandeep Jain with 12-year experience in WordPress. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe button using the link below. It really motivates me to bring more WordPress and LearnDash tutorial for you. Let me ask you something. Are you struggling to connect LearnDash with WooCommerce so you can sell your course smoothly? If yes, then stay with me till the end because today I am showing you the exact step by step that work perfectly in 2025. So as you see, these are our course, dummy course, how to earn from WordPress. So when I logged in at here, it is asking for sign up. Okay, after sign up, I load, then it is asking sorry, incorrect username and password, please try again. Okay, wait a minute. Now I fixed. It is Sandeep.Jain username and password. Okay, now logged in. Now going back to the link, course link. Now it is asking get started. So now we will connect WooCommerce with LearnDash. So for that you have to go to your course and edit course. And inside that in this setting you have to select closed because we do not want this from LearnDash, and at here price 500 and button URL, so we have to give button URL for it, and first we have to add one product with same name. Okay, wait a minute. For it, if we check at here, then it is saying simple product and other product, but not as course. So first we have to add one add-on by a LearnDash. So go at here in the LearnDash and go click on add-ons, and at here LearnDash provide lots of add-on at here, so you can search WooCommerce for LearnDash. Like at here there are lots of add-on, so you can download and install. So I already installed it and it is for activate, so I am activating it. Now I am adding new product. With same name, you can change any name, but I am putting same name. Okay, and now at here you can see product data. So in default sample data is selected, so you have to select course, and you can put price at here, and LearnDash course, so you can select course which you want to connect, and then publish. After that we will get link, so we have to add here button and then click on save. Now I am going to the our product page, course page. Now you can purchase, because we already connected WooCommerce with LearnDash. Take this course, and now I am on WooCommerce product page. Now I can purchase this from WooCommerce. View cart and proceed to checkout. And now select which payment you want and then place order. Now by this method you can connect LearnDash with WooCommerce. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more WordPress tips. See you in next video. Keep learning, keep building. Thanks for watching.